Elgeyo Marakwet County.
Wiper Democratic Movement Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has taken a swipe at President William Ruto over his directive that legislators who are allied to the Kenya Kwanza government should toe the line. Kalonzo, who was speaking in Lake Naivasha Resort during the Institute of Certified Secretaries Forum that brought together members of the county public service boards, said the president's directive is dictatorial.
When we sat at the end of the day to try to conclude on the agenda item number 1 and the National Dialogue Committee, high cost of living, we could not understand. We could not even agree. And I'm quite sure Kenya Kwanza Coalition meeting here in Naivasha are themselves feeling it, but they don't want to say it. They don't want to say it because the chief executive tells them, you must toe the line. I got you elected. I got you elected. I'm not introducing politics to this forum, but the political context. Chairman.
We take a short break.